What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove the case from your PS5 console. So basically I have a PS5 right here. I'm going to show you guys quick how you basically remove it. So this part right here, we have the logo. You can remove it from this side, or you can remove it from this side right here. I like to move it from this side where you basically have the CD player. If you don't have a CD player, it's quite fine. We have the bottom right here, you can push it basically downward. So it goes like so. Now you can make a pull and you can basically see that it basically remove, which is basically very easy. So if you want to basically remove your case or basically do some cleaning or change it, it will remove quite fine. So you put this on this side right now and you push it right now in the same direction. You can just push it back down. You can basically lick it like that. You can basically see it basically comes off and it looking. So you can see basically how it basically slide down, just shove it down onto this part right here. To the bottom we have this hole. You can basically see where it's indicate. So you can make any changes to your shell right here. You can basically change these, which is really great. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.